Abundance. Abundance is all around us, only we open our eyes to see it. The abundance of nature provides us with endless array of nourishing foods to sustain our bodies. And the abundance of love and connection fill our heart and enriching our lives. The abundance of opportunity and resources allow us to pursue our passion, achieve our goals. Abundance is not just about material possession, it's about appreciating the beauty of the world around us. So let us open our hearts and mind to the abundance that surrounds us and live our lives with gratitude and joy. Visit finallylivingmylife.com.